I'm gonna.
You've got Spicy McGann behind you.
I see that.
Eh?
I was letting the Swift go by.
Aye, when you were getting closer to that curve.
Oh, right.
Brake. No, not brake, sorry.
Still with a brake for this car.
Heavy. Remember what corner's coming up?
Yep.
This is it. He's indicating.
Here comes an R892.
Slow down just before the right and across the road. Now.
And that's us done. Weird driving left hand, I'll probably limit that.
Sorry if I told you to slow down a few times, but
Alright. To be fair, that felt. It was only the gearness that was annoying me. It all felt sound, like I felt like I was in control because this handles well.
I think that's the other thing as well. That's probably quicker than the S3.
Nah, I don't know, like.
Well, me driving it myself, or
And then again, it's hard to tell. I felt like I was already on alright, like. But it's a wee bit slow. But it's
Right.
perfect for what it was. I really enjoyed that. It was just weird to try and get used to the whole gearing
yeah.
on the wrong side. Nah, I like that. I would chance a second lap, but I'm not gonna. No, don't think so.
I thought you were pushing, like.
You think?
Aye.
Nah, I don't think I was, like.
I thought you were.
Are you worried, like?
Oh, alright, okay.
I would say I was about 80%.
Really?
Aye. Because it's totally different. Like I kept what corners were coming, but I didn't know what to chance it if I was wrong.